Get up, little guy. PETA, go. There you go. Come on, sweetie. PETA. Here. Oh, hold on. There you go. Oh, you pooped. Okay, good boy. There, see? PETA, no. Oops. Oops, oops, oops. Get up, little guy. There you go. Oops. Look out. Billy, come here. Oh, slow down. Slow down, Pumpkin. You're going too fast. Come on. Good boy. No, no, no. Slow down. There you go. Come here. Oh, no, no, no. Come on. It's hard on the floor, I know. There. Good boy. Oops. There you go. There you go. Oh, you stepped in your poop. Yikes. There you go. You just go slow and you do okay. Come on, sweetie. Come on. Oops, there you go back. Whoa. PETA, 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 leave him alone. PETA, go. PETA, I know, he pottied, yes. Oh. Go. Yeah, he wants to play, I think. Look how little guy. Let's come on back out here. Come on out here. Come on. There you go. Now for the poo. Slow down. Slow down. Good boy. There you go. There you go. You gotta slow down, little one. You're going too fast. There. That's a good boy. Yes, you are. Get up. There you go. Good boy.
There, you probably can't read the Japanese, but certainly you can read the number 20. That's because it's 20 liters per car that they're being rationed as the people in Japan try and make it